Hello everyone! Today let's make this creative and eye-catching pointer slide like a pro. First, insert a triangle. Change its dimensions. Then duplicate it, and changes its dimensions as well. And then select large shape, and then small shape, and then subtract it. Now draw a rectangle covering the half side of the shape. And then select both shapes, and do fragment. Delete this extra shape, and now you get this shape. Now go to Format Shape. First make it no outline, and then change its color as per your choice. But make sure to fill the dark shade on the right side, and lighter shade on left side. Group them, and copy 4 times and fill different colors. Then go to Size and rotate each shape as shown on the screen. Rotate first shape on 50 degree, next shape for 70 degree, then 90 degree, then 110. And for last shape, rotate it for 130 degree. Then arrange them. Then duplicate a part of the shape and fill it with gradient colors. Then go to Soft Edges and make it 8. Rotate it according to the shape. Remember, we want to give it a look like shadow, so arrange accordingly. After arranging, send it to back. Then duplicate this. Rotate it horizontally. Arrange accordingly, and at the end group them, and send it to back. Then duplicate it for the other shape. Rotate it on 30 degree. And send it to back. Then arrange it accordingly. Now again duplicate it, and this time we are rotating it manually and arranging as we need it. Then follow the same procedure for other shapes. Now insert the arc and make the shape as shown in the screen. Make the outline color black. Increase width to 3. and choose the dash type. Then duplicate it. And make half line type. Then insert the heading and content. Then group all the shapes. Now duplicate the slide. And on the first page, rotate the grouped elements and drag it out of the slide. Then apply the morph transition in second slide. Now it's time to put animation to the content. So for that, choose Fly in Animation to all heading content, and make it from the top. And in this way, you have made an amazing slide. If you like this, and if you don't subscribe yet, then please subscribe our channel now, and do share with your friends.